Hello friends, happy Halloween and welcome back to my channel, The Cozy Corner, where we make things together. I'm Judy Gallagher, a ballroom dance teacher with a visual arts degree, and today I'm dressed as Sailor Mars from Sailor Moon. Mars, star power, make up! If you watch the show, then you know what I'm talking about. I am so excited for this project because it's one I've wanted to share with you for a really long time. Today, I'll show you how to make paper dolls the way my mom taught my siblings and me when we were little. These were always my favorite dolls, not because they were fancy, but because they were made with love. My mom grew up in the Philippines in a big family where store-bought toys weren't really an option, so she and her brothers and sisters made their own. Paper dolls, cardboard dollhouses, anything they could imagine. That same creativity is what led me to costume making later in life. Sometimes a little lack unlocks a lot of imagination. All you really need is paper, a pencil, and scissors. But since we're feeling festive, I'll also use colored pencils, pens, markers, whatever you have lying around. Cardstock works beautifully if you've got it. The fun part, you have no financial limits in this world that you're creating, so feel free to go ham. Make these outfits as crazy as you want. Or as simple as you want, or just something that you want, or something that you saw your favorite influencer wear on Instagram. Whatever it is, make it happen with your paper doll. My mom always folded the paper in half and drew the silhouette along the fold like this. If freehanding isn't your thing, I've included downloadable templates in the description. Once you've cut it out, open your doll and check that everything looks balanced. So just make sure everything's good with her already. She's rocking that flared bob, very 90s. Mom always gave her short hair so we could swap outfits easily. Long hair looks great, but trust me, it gets in the way of shirt changes. Next, draw her face and add small details. I'm giving mine purple hair because why not? Now, I specifically love these paper dolls that my mom made because they're not just like a paper doll and like you stick it on a stand and then they look pretty somewhere, but you can actually design and change their clothes and outfits all the time. So that was our favorite part, of course. So we're still working on our doll here. So go ahead and add whatever you want. I added freckles. You're going to add a belly button. I add a bra and underwear if you like. Keep it playful. Have fun with it. Flip her over and color the back too. So she looks great from every angle. Now for the fun part. Outfits. I'm starting with the witch's hat because seasonal priorities. Remember to add little tabs on the sides so your clothes can cling to your doll. If you forget, don't worry, I'll show an easy fix later. For the dress, fold your cardstock, trace around the doll silhouette, and design however you like. I'm going for a fitted witchy look with a corset and a flared skirt, because why not give her a bit of fairy tale flair? As you are designing her dress, keep in mind that the dress will go over your doll's head. So I like to keep the straps a little bit thinner with plenty of space for her head and neckline. It's the easiest way that you can get the dress on and also be able to design other clothes and switch them out without damaging your paper doll too much. Now, I will say it truly is a paper doll because the more you play with it, the faster she will kind of get a little dinged up. So it's, they're not meant to last forever. So just have a lot of fun with it and with the clothes that you make. But just keep in mind what's going to be easiest for you as you're making this project. Once it's colored and cut, gently fold your doll's head and slip the dress over. Tabs help hold it in place, but if you forget them, you can tape small paper tabs inside later. I'm going to show you how to do that here. So I make sure that I am underneath the top layer, just use a little bit of tape, attach a couple tabs, and fold them over my doll. Beautiful. Done. Easy. Finally, shoes. Trace one foot, mirror it, and add tabs. Color, fold, and fit. And there she is, a full Halloween witch ready to cast paper spells. You can stop here, or you can make it a whole world. Draw a castle, a spooky forest, or clouds for your doll to live in. I even made a little broom and a kitten named Soot. And of course, my real cat Bun Bun has joined the set. Hi, Bun Bun. Sassy's under the table supervising as usual. Thank you so much for crafting with me. This was a special Halloween episode and it brought back so many sweet memories for me. next time I'll share how my sister and I did an angel photo shoot, including how I made the wings and all the chaos that came with it. I did put out an angel wings tutorial already. This is more of a behind the scenes of what my sister and I actually experienced and some of the issues that I had and the fixes that we kind of came up with. And my projects tend to live on and get used again and again. This is what I'm wearing. My Sailor Mars outfit is actually one of my projects, and I got to make Sailor Scout costumes for a bunch of my friends, which I absolutely loved and had so much fun doing that too. That's from a few years ago, but I wear this all the time since then. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe for more cozy creative projects. Or don't, that's okay too. Have a magical Halloween and stay safe out there. Oh, and don't forget to make yourself something nice today, whether it's a cup of hot chocolate, a big bowl of popcorn, or a fantastical ensemble for a paper doll. And I want to pick mine up. Yay! I have mine with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye!